जो गुलाब है वो तभी खिल सकता है जब गेहूं के पैसे हों आपके पास, राइट? मैं उठूंगा, मैं गिरूंगा, गिर संभल कर, मैं मिटा दूंगा अपनी हार को अपनी जीत से फिर। सिलसिला इस तरह चलता रहेगा, चलता रहेगा। कल को सूरज अस्त हो तो डर नहीं, यही सूरज तेरे आंगन में फिर उगेगा, फिर उगेगा. So doing something for somebody else where somebody depends on you, I think that is real world, right? And that is the disconnect.
Sir, Nishant Pandey is a 2001 pass out from AIT. Sir joined Cambly in 2002 as an IT consultant. Currently, sir is a director of program management and IT strategy. And sir did MBA from Northwestern University, Kellogg School of Management. He's also a lyrics writer. He writes a lot of songs, and his collaboration with AIT with an AITian, Sazo Alfaz, is what you can see on AIT alumni page and a lot of YouTube videos Sir uploads. We'll share all the links of the songs of Sirs on the description below. And so, sir, warm welcome to you to AIT Talks.
Thank you so much. Thanks for doing this, guy.
So, what are some of the skills which you still rely on, which you learned at AIT, and also tell us the cultural experiences that shaped you at AIT. I mean, you are at the dramatic club of AIT, and you also said that AIT was more of like a business school than a technology school. So, two takes on that.
So, yeah, I think, and it's more like what you put in, what you get from there, right? So for me, it was more of a business school, right? So I was in my first year, there was orientation, right? Like ragging to hote nahi hai. So there was a lot of orientation happening, like at high scale at that time, right? There were some seniors who used to like come to my room and like orient us and such, right? Like now, after few days, like when they stop coming, right? तो मुझे दुख होता था यार, आज कॉलेज खत्म हो गया, सर ही नहीं आए, क्या बोरिंग हो गया है, राइट? लाइक सो देयर वर सम पीपल आई गॉट इंटरेक्टेड, सो आई वुड purposely try to walk out and go in the direction where some of those seniors are sitting, right? ताकि वो मुझे पकड़ लें और फिर मुझे ओरिएंटेशन कराने के लिए, रैगिंग कराने के लिए मेरे साथ कुछ टाइम स्पेंड करें, राइट? सो they were very very funny guys. So a lot of them were into dramatics, right? So it so happened that I had few seniors who were a lot of focus on musical drama, making skits and plays and such, right? So one such person whom I came in contact with was Lieutenant Colonel Tarundeep Singh Gedi, sir. He's no more. Few years back we lost him, but he has had like tremendous impact on me, right? And one thing which, if I was to share, I had joined one of his street plays, one of his musical dramas, right? And I was our lead actor. Somnath Biswas sir was the person who used to play most of our lead roles, right? He had to go to IIT Bombay, I think, for some robotics fest, right? He was a mechanical guy. So they said, okay, who will do this? Like, play was ready, and I was basically writing lyrics for them in the background. And he looked at me and said, tu kar se chalu karna chalu kar. And I started doing that. And after every scene, right, I would like do a scene and then I would look at him. He was playing my dad in that play. It was called Death of Innocence, right? And after some point, right, he got really mad at me in front of the stage, right? Like, so we used to practice it in college and then take it to inter college, and then we used to be like trying to win some like medals and such, right? So and he looked at me and said that don't ask for permission to live. You have performed your scene. Don't look at me asking for approval, right? And उस समय मैं भी गुस्सा हो गया, राइट? कि मतलब मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं है, मैंने तो सिर्फ देखा था एक बार, राइट? मैं हर सीन के बाद देखता था, right? So but that thing, right, don't look for approval, I think has really stuck with me, right? And especially since there is no more with us, I think that's something which I remember a lot, right? So at times when you do your role, right, at times when you make a strategy for a big organization, at times you take decisions, right? There is a lot of merit in checking what you're doing is right or not, but at times that you have to have faith in yourself and say, okay, I'm not going to keep looking for direction, right? I have a role to play and I will play it to my conviction, right? And I think वो एक चीज जो है वो AIT की से मेरे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा टिकी है. दूसरा I think कि जितने भी हमारे सब लोग थे, right? Like people today have a lot of plans. I don't think many of us had as finely refined plans, right? And we graduated in recession, right? So while coming to AIT, right, it breaks and then makes you confident, right? You think that you are like absolute awesome person, इसलिए तुम AIT आते हो, तुम अपनी क्लास में normally top 5 top 10 में रहते हो, you are like got good personality, so, and you come to AIT, and then AIT normally elevates that game, right? तो मैं तो बहुत ही मुझे लगा कि ये सब झूठ था, ना मैं ड्रामेटिक्स में अच्छा हूँ, ना मैं एकेडमिक्स में अपनी क्लास में टॉप 5 टॉप 10 में आता हूँ, मैं मतलब आई एम नॉट गुड, राइट? एंड दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक द breaking of the confidence happens for the first few years, right? And then you understand that, hey, it is about trying to start living independently. There is a lot of, you've left your parents, you left your friends, तुम यहाँ पे आए हो, right? And then you build that confidence ground up. So in these last 20 years or so, right, I have worked with people from different colleges. I have recruited in different colleges. I have like IITians have reported to me. I have reported to IITians. But even till today, when I see any AITians, right, they might be different as individuals, right? But there is a common thread, which is that undying enthusiasm, passion, like that hunger to do something. I think that is really, really powerful thing, right? We don't give it as much value, but it is very valuable, and it has done me good for the past many years.
People nowadays, like, they have plans and they execute on that plans. So but as I see your path, so it was I don't think it was very well planned, because actually it was the time of recession, as you said also. So you passed out in 2001, and then you went into IT consulting in 2002. That was the first company. In 2002 you joined it, and then you slowly grew, and as I can see, you were interested in dramatics, and you were interested in writing lyrics and poetry. So what was it like? So it was not at all decided. So was it your passion of like IT consulting, or was it like it was just an opportunity and you just grab that at that point?
So guys, when this is more of a, it was not planned at all, right? Absolutely. So plan was to join Signals, and that's how it was supposed to be always. My favorite seniors were all joining EME. They were from mechanical, right? They were the first batch. I had few people who had joined Signals, right? So they Dylan sir and all. कहीं ना कहीं पैशन था कि फौज में जाएंगे और फिर अपने मतलब अपने सीनियर्स को रिपोर्ट करेंगे, right? That's the passion. और क्या? We will go and we'll have a war. If there is a war, then we will do well in it. We'll provide excellent telecommunications, right? Try to control insurgency. इस टाइप के जो thoughts लेके आदमी आता है, and मैं तो उसकी था, हमारा पूरा batch I think वैसे ही था. But what happened during that time, right? There was Kargil war was it. That had I think impact on some people. Then there was also lot of IT business coming up, right? That way, so companies were starting to come to college, right? And it became like the problem was split. Earlier, if you're first or second batch and you really want to join IT, then you have to do something specific, right? You have to get up, go and apply, and like fight really hard, right? Because that's your passion, right? In this case, you have to just brush your teeth and go to the college, right? Your company बैठी होगी कोई ना कोई, right? They will say कि test के नाम पे, like I think that's still today, right? Because they did not know how to assess these people who have not ever worked, right? So there was just, hey, this is a log going at X speed, and then there's an upstream, downstream thing happening. Shakuntala Devi, right? So common sense things they were asking, right? And they were giving you offers, right? And those offers in those days were like tremendously high in monetary compensation, right? As compared to what was on offer otherwise. But all those things were not really to sway many of AITians, right? So there was a lot of army fervor, right? Then few of my seniors happened to go to Australia and on all these places. They sent pictures and stuff. So that started changing the mindset a little bit, right? And then I had few talks with my seniors, and there was this thing about, we've seen army slightly like in terms of, we know what it has to offer, right? Being from defense background, right? But there is value in exploring, right? कुछ अलग करते हैं, right? So that was the limit of planning, right? कुछ अलग करना चाहता था. वो अलग क्या है? पता नहीं. कैसे होगा? मालूम नहीं, right? क्या जानते हो? कुछ भी नहीं, right? So that's how I like graduated, and by graduation I had two offers, which I thought whichever comes first I will join. That's the amount of strategic thinking I have, first in, first out, right? And if I don't like it, I will join the second one, right? So that was a simple strategy, right? It so happened that both companies took back the offers. So in 2000, like in third year, I had two offers. I think many of our like classmates had multiple offers, right? What happened post that is I went back to my home, right? And as an engineer sometimes, and this is maybe happening with some people from this batch, right? you go back home without a job after completing engineering, it's not a big deal actually, let's be honest. But at that point, it looks like, oh my God, like I spent 4 years trying to become an engineer, and what a shitty engineer I have become where I don't have a job. Shame on me. धिक्कार है, इससे कुछ हो नहीं सकता, मतलब this is classic, right? But it's not true. It's not you. ये जो है, this is global forces, right? Many big things happen, right? You did not invent the virus, right? अगर ऐसा है तो तुमने invent किया, then धिक्कार है, right? But it so happened that that's going on today, right? In our case, it was the Twin Towers and whatnot, right? Long story short, that was the best period to graduate in, right? It gave me the muscle power I never had as an engineer, right? So my mom was working as a teacher, right? And she's a Hindi teacher. So mom used to go daily. There was nobody at home, right? Then dad was posted in field during those days. So घर में कोई नहीं था. I was just alone. TV देखा थोड़ा बहुत, यहाँ घूमे. I was waiting for the joining to come. आ जाएगी आज, नहीं तो कल आ जाएगी, जाएगी, right? Talent है इतना. तो फिर ऐसा नहीं हुआ लेकिन, and I used to start visiting friends, and everybody was busy. Somebody was doing his master, somebody was having a job, right? Those even like people who were not gone out of Jaipur, right? So this was all in Jaipur. मुझे लगा कि कुछ कर लेना चाहिए, right? So there was an educational institute. I went and took a temp job at their place for teaching, right? And I decided, you're electronics engineer, ये तो आपके लिए बहुत आसान होगा, या आप ये पढ़ाना चालू करो. तो देखा, and then I realized कि dude ये तो 4 साल निकल गए और ये यहाँ पे 4 year निकाल रहा है किसी चीज का, और मैं ऐसे बैठा हुआ हूँ और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि I thought this is a moment, right? Like, this is not going to happen to me, right? And then your response is typical AIT. I think वो अभी तक I think मेरे seniors का भी वैसे response है. कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा हो तो फिर night out मार दो बस, basically, right? तो 3-4 night out लग गए उसमें, right? And they said कि हाँ पढ़ाने आ जाओ, and I started teaching those kids. They were basically diploma guys, right? And I was thinking कि ये बहुत ही मतलब 2 घंटे पढ़ा के आना है वगैरह करके. But the amount of response I started getting, right? Like there were teachers who were teaching for a regional engineering college, and there were people who were saying कि हमें इन सर से पढ़ना है, right? हमें वापस जाना है, and that's like I was feeling bad also because मैं उनकी जो है क्लास ले रहा था, वो मुझ पे इतना ज़्यादा फेथ कर रहे थे. कहीं ना कहीं मैं शायद केपेबल भी नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि ये सब पढ़ने के लिए मैंने कल रात को 4 दिन पहले पढ़ा है, right? Am I fit for the respect they are giving me? बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा था, right? And then one day there was like this institute used to have exams, and somebody came and touched feet, right? तो वो मतलब बहुत ही बुरा लग गया. वो तो मतलब ऐसा लगा कि यार ये क्या हो गया, एक मैं हूँ, है ना, और एक ये है, ठीक है? So they are giving me that podium, right? And I am not being honest to it just because it's a time pass for me. My joining will come, I'll join IT, right? So that's when I decided, no matter what happens, right? ये semester पूरा करके जाऊँ, right? I cannot not complete this semester, right? I took all those guys to a tapri. I told them that boss, ऐसा है कि मैं यहाँ से निकल जाऊँगा, मैं temp पे हूँ, right? Don't base all your strategy on me, but this semester I will complete and go, and I'll guarantee everybody will pass. So that was the first time I took ever challenge in the world, right? इससे पहले college में आप challenge है तो ये project pass कर दूँगा, बना दूँगा, ये क्या बोलते हैं, exam में अच्छे marks लाऊँगा. You're doing it only for yourself, right? So doing something for somebody else where somebody depends on you, I think that is the real world, right? And that is the disconnect. वो कहीं नहीं था, right? उसके बाद लेटर आ गया कैनबे से, राइट? सो आई थॉट कि आ गया, एंड सब लोग बैठे चाय टेबल पे, बोला कि खोलो इसको पढ़ते हैं. मैं कहा आप ही पढ़ो डैड इसको, मैं क्या पढ़ूंगा. मुझे लग रहा था कि नॉर्मली इंक्रीमेंट देख के होगा. तो उन्होंने कहा कि वी आर सॉरी टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट वी हैव, बिकॉज ऑफ द करंट इकोनॉमिक क्लाइमेट, वी आर नॉट एबल टू कीप अवर कमिटमेंट. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ योर ज्वाइनिंग बीइंग डिफर्ड, नाउ योर ज्वाइनिंग हैज बीन कैंसल्ड. मैंने कहा यार ये तो खुद ही पढ़ लेना चाहिए था, ये डैड से पढ़ा के इतना ड्रामा करने से ये नुकसान है स्ट्रीट प्ले करने से. तो आई फेल्ट वेरी बैड कि यार एक तो इतना गंदा लेटर आया, ऊपर से डैड से पढ़वाया, शर्म आनी चाहिए. आई डिसाइडेड कि ठीक है, so I went to, I could not know any response. अब मैं इसका कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करूँ, राइट? So some of my friends were in IBM, right? I went there and I said कि ठीक है, I'll spend some time with them, right? And I looked at their lifestyle. I looked at what they were studying and all those things. And I sort of liked it, right? Like, because they were like this belief that if you have an engineering degree, what did we do so far, right? But then going to Gurgaon gave me that that understanding that this is a framework of solving problems actually, right? Being a professional degree, it doesn't have to be engineering, any professional degree, right? Sorts of makes you strong enough as a problem solver. You are able to isolate a problem. हमारे यहाँ सर्किट था, ये काम नहीं कर रहा है, इनपुट और आउटपुट नहीं है, अच्छा ठीक है, यहाँ देखते हैं, कैपेसिटर का देखते हैं, ये काम कर रहा है, ये काम नहीं कर रहा है, यहाँ कहीं गड़बड़ है. Right? You understand how to break a problem into whether it's your code or it's your circuit or whatever you're trying to solve. Today it's like maybe a working system which is being used by 100,000 users, right? The problem solving जो है, I think वो professional colleges में शुरू होती है. So that's where I started thinking कि हाँ, अगर मुझे ऐसा सब ट्रेनिंग मिलेगा इसमें, क्योंकि अभी तक एक डाउट था कि मैं IT कंपनी में जाऊंगा, फिर मैं मुझे बोलेंगे ये कोड करो, वो कोड करो, फिर मैं कैसे करूंगा? Right? And then I looked at what training was happening in those organizations, right? IBM at that point was trying to come to the services game. It was in opening its first center in India, right? It's a big deal, right? It's a historic moment in IT industry, right? And we were a part of it. So it is not, इसमें डरना नहीं है, right? Like इसमें जो डर गया तो वो मर गया, right? This is absolute. This is a great time to be in. So this is that cleared all doubts, right? For civil, IT, non-IT, this is done, right? And then one day there was a job opening which I applied to for telecom, right? And I thought कि यार कोर के इतने तो अच्छे हैं नहीं कि कुछ बात बता सकेंगे उसको कैपेसिटर और डायोड के बारे में, तो पूछ ले कि फर्क क्या है डायोड और डायोड में, एक की 2 टांग होती है, एक की 3 टांग होती है, ये ऐसे आंसर हैं हमारे, है ना? तो फिर अब कोर में तो क्या होगा, तो ऐसे क्योंकि उतना फोकस नहीं किया था, राइट, इंजीनियरिंग पे. But those few months as a teacher, right, like I took an entrance exam and I was surprised to see type of question being asked there. And then I was more surprised to find engineers from good colleges, right? Like the colleges where I was sort of scared of, right? Like, hey, this is REC, Trichy, right? These guys must be knowing, oh my God, कितना जानते रहेंगे लोग, right? Like तो कितना पुराना कॉलेज है, और but ठीक है, कितना भी पुराना कॉलेज हो, वो 4 साल से ही थे वहाँ, right? So it is not a big deal, right? So वो confidence आया. So I got a job in Vijayawada for network operations and maintenance, right? And I was again doing this job, thinking that my joining is not come now, right? So I will do this and then do it for a year. Then I will think what I want to do. And I think that was a very good decision in hindsight. क्योंकि उस 8 महीने के जॉब में, जो कि 8-9 महीने, जो मेरे LinkedIn पे भी नहीं है, जो experiences मैंने gain किए, right? They inform my strategy till today, right? How do you gain respect from somebody? How do you make somebody do something which they don't want to do, right? ये सब चीजें जो हैं धीरे धीरे आके आना चालू है, and that sort of shaped a lot of my way I started working.
I think more or less we are in a similar time, and many of our batchmates, many of our mechanical graduates, and many people out there have not got jobs, and many of us are waiting for, including me, are waiting for a joining to happen. So almost a similar time. What advice do you have for people like us in these times?
Yeah, guys. First thing is like don't pity yourself, right? Don't think yeah uska मेरा नहीं उसका. This is not going to do anything good for you, right? First thing, right? Second thing is, believe me, and I can write it and sign it and give it to you right now. Within 6 years, right? The grind you will hopefully it will not happen, right? But if it happens, you get a grind for a year and a half, right? That is the best time you're getting as an engineer, right? शुरू से ही बहुत protected है, right? कोई pressure नहीं पड़ा है, right? And then वो मतलब without pressure there is nothing good created. चाहे तुम्हें दाल बनानी हो तो pressure cooker लगता है, और कोयले को हीरा बनाने के लिए भी बहुत pressure लगता है, right? Carbon पे. So it is, people are putting pressure on you, the situations are putting pressure on you. It's a very good thing, right? It is good to have strategy. I'm never suggesting that be like me, I don't have a strategy, just do kar denge. This is not the strategy, right? The strategy should be, because you know so much, there's so many careers you have seen that you can think that, hey, this is the direction I want to go in. But remember that that's just a direction, right? Whatever outcome you're looking at is more important, right? And there are 100 ways to go that outcome, right? Agar core industry में काम मिले, there'll be a lot of work, right? So ऐसा नहीं है कि there will not be work, right? But if you have a bias that, hey, this is what I don't want to do, this I cannot do, like remove your biases, and with an open mind, if you go, right, there'll be decent, well-paying opportunities, right, which you can surely avail. right? There's a lot of startup ecosystem today, right? There's a lot of senior alumni there, right? A lot of way of doing projects and this social media to be able to like broadcast the work you are capable of doing, right? So build that muscle, right? काम आना जो है वो बहुत जरूरी है, right? Knowing how to conduct yourself वो बहुत जरूरी है, right? कॉलेज से निकलते साथ ही बेस्ट जॉब में ड्रीम लाइन में आ गए हैं, right? I do not know if वो बहुत जरूरी है, right? How do you know that you have got the right dream, right? It is like based on the information you have. If nothing else, right? For one more year, you'll get a lot of more information. You can have a bigger, like, or a more well-informed strategy for what you want to really do. So it's a exploration type of a thing. Take it that way. Don't think कि मैं pressure में आ गया. Unless of course किसी का ऐसा situation होता है कि मेरे पास भाड़ा देने के लिए पैसे नहीं. If those things are coming up, right? Then it's a problem. Then you have to really reach out to people, and it could happen to somebody, right? But for most part, right, I don't think majority of people would land to that kind of problem, right? Most problems in that phase are psychological, right? Hey, I did so much, मेरा नुकसान हो गया, right? Maybe I should listen to somebody else. Who don't have second thoughts. Go into those. Startups are a great option. Looking at building your own projects and own work, that's a great option, right? And then they will continue to have hiring, right? You might not love that job on day one, but there is a lot of merit in knowing how to work, right? So there's two things required, right? Like one is not having a dream is a crime, right? And then the bigger crime is having a dream and not to know how to execute on it, right? फिर वो dream का क्या फायदा, है ना? So like to how to execute on it, you only get when you go into an actual job, right? And had I not gone to this telecom company, believe you me, right? Like अभी मैं जो भी मेरा career रहा वो से 20% less ही होगा, right? I was thinking I'm starting late. Now my batchmates, some of them got their joining and now they are so ahead. One of them is a team lead. I am not, right? It doesn't matter, right? Absolutely, बहुत सस्ता सौदा है, बहुत फायदे का सौदा है, तुरंत ले लो, right? If I had not done this and got straight, the biggest thing missing would have been the hunger, right? This has come, nothing has been assigned to me, so I am not thinking क्या, because nobody is going to assign anything to you in the life. आप उसको तुरंत proactively, बस मुझे नहीं वो कुछ assign हुआ है, तो मैंने ये design किया है. At moment you start having those conversations, it really changes the game, and to have those conversations, you need to have some real life experience. Right? So for my case, that was a telecom company which you were talking about.
So, sir, are you saying that it is very okay to go into jobs that you are not very sure about that you want to go into right now, so that in future you can be sure about what you want to?
Yeah. So yes and no, right? So if you're not convinced about doing something and then you will go there and do a shitty job of it, then please excuse the trouble for everybody involved, right? If you're not sure of this, that I want to do this long term, but I am here for 8 months, and till the time I'm here, I'm going to turn every stone, right? It is possible. You do it, right? एक example देता हूँ. When I joined there, I had a small team. एक मुझे टाटा सुमो मिला था, एक इतना मोटा फोन मिला था जो कि मतलब मैं कमर पे लटकाता था, वो मोबाइल फोन था, उससे मतलब किसी को मारा तो खून निकल सकता है, तो वो मैं वेपन की तरह एक रखता था, राइट? और मेरे पास एक ड्राइवर, एक मेरा इलेक्ट्रिशियन था, और एक थोड़े से ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे थे, वो डिप्लोमा इंजीनियर थे एक मेरे, वो मुझे थोड़ा सा मतलब ही वाज माय टेक्निकल बैकअप, राइट? ही विल टेल मी, एंड वी वर सेइंग. तो मैं पहले जब गया तो मुझे टीम में असाइन हो गया, आई सेड वेरी नाइस. मैं ऊपर गया तो मेरे बॉस ने मुझसे कहा कि शिल्पा बिंदी नाम सुना है? सेड कि हाँ, शिल्पा 4 चांद लगाए? तो ही सेड हाँ, तो उसके 4 पैकेट ले आओ, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट, राइट? और अलग अलग कलर के, अलग अलग साइज के, अब गोल ही होने चाहिए. आई वाज लाइक डूड, ये मतलब मैं सही में सही आ गया हूँ कि नहीं आ गया हूँ, मैं यहाँ फंस गया हूँ. और मैं गया और मैं शिल्पा बिंदी मेरे आँख में आंसू निकलने लगे उससे, ये मैं यहाँ बिंदी ला रहा हूँ, चाय ला रहा हूँ, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, राइट? बट बिलीव मी दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग आई डिड. तो मैं जाके बिंदी खरीद के लाया, मैंने उसको 4 रुपए देके वो 3-4 पैकेट खरीद लिए और लेके आया, एंड इट ओपन. सर मैं बिंदी ले आया, आपने बिंदी लेके कहा था. आई समहाउ कंट्रोल माय इमोशन एंड गो बैक. यार मैं एक लाइक AIT का फर्स्ट डिवीजन इंजीनियर हूं, मुझे बिंदी खरीदवा रहा है, क्या कर रहा है? एंड आई लव दैट गाय नाउ, राइट? फर्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स आई डिडंट हैव, थोड़ा सा पॉक्यूपाइन पर्सन, राइट? लाइक इतना क्लोज नहीं आता है वो किसी के, बट एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग बेस्ट मेंटर्स वन कैन हैव. So he started putting one bindi over each city, right, on a map. ऐसे ये सब फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स है, राइट? ये सब जो है क्या बोलते हैं माइक्रोवेव साइट्स हैं, राइट, ये सब ऐसे हैं, तो तुम क्या करना चाहोगे, एंड दिस इज द मैप, राइट. ही स्टार्टेड आस्किंग मी स्टफ अराउंड इलुरु से अंगुटुरु के लिए लाइन जा रही है, उसमें फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स है कि क्या है, कैसे सर्किट आता है. बट दिस इज नाउ कॉल्ड context of the company, right? Context is everything. Knowing how to code but not knowing what to code is like missing that context, right? Like, so you have the skills but this is giving you the context, right? तो हम यहाँ से फिर अगर हमें इस साइड का पूरा मैप कवर करना है, नहीं इस साइड का पूरा मैप नहीं कवर करना है, you have to know what is the geography you are trying to manage. इस साइड का मैप कवर करना है, बॉस, you know exact word, get out of my office right now, right? You start feeling that thing, right? You start knowing the map, you start knowing the geography. कि अच्छा ये जो है मैं मछलीपट्टनम साइड का अगर कवर करना चाहता हूँ तो फिर मैं वहां पे क्या फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स की एक केबल लेकर देंगे, गड्ढा खोदना पड़ेगा पूरे शहर में. You cannot do it, right? What do? I will put a microwave tower. Tower takes 3 years to make. What am I going to do? तुम इंजीनियर हो, तुम बताओ. Go and research. There is something called repeater. Yes, that's exactly. I'm asking you to install this repeater. You go this, take the circuit, जो signal आता है उसको multiply करके multiple times, talking later, it throws in other direction. Okay. So like by now I have spent 2 months in the company, right? So I know mode of thinking. अच्छा तो किसने repeater install किया रहेगा? पूछता हूँ. I called किसने install? I came to know nobody has installed a repeater before. Right? So I went there and उसकी cabling कर रहे थे site वगैरह की, and मैंने कुछ बोला कि ऐसे कर देना चाहिए केबलिंग वगैरह, तो वो इलेक्ट्रिशियन काफी गुस्सा हो गया मेरे पे. उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसे नहीं होता वगैरह, राइट, एंड ही ओपनली सेड कि मैं नहीं करूँगा. एंड at that point it was like there's 2 things I could do. I could be like some of my other colleagues where they're not respected, right, by the people they command, right, in industry knowledge is everything. If you don't have the knowledge, he's right in not respecting you. Actually, he's being slightly bold by telling you this on your face. But even if he didn't tell you, the fact is he would not respect you because you do not know how to cable a site, right? And it's not about me being not focusing as much electronics. I challenge, right? Any student who comes out cannot cable a site himself. There's a lot of equipment, there's a lot of things. So उसमें एक इतना मोटा मैनुअल मिला था, right? मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं इसको खुद ही करूँगा, अब मुझे इसकी मदद ही नहीं चाहिए. तो मैंने उससे कहा कि ठीक है तू जा रहा है तो चले जा, right? एंड एक कमरा होता है उसमें AC रहता है, उसमें मैं चला गया. And I started doing stuff myself. नहीं हुआ, रात हो गई, ड्राइवर वगैरह को कॉल करने लगा. I called few of my colleagues and such. And they said कोई हरी नहीं है, तुम वापस आ जाओ, देख लेंगे बाद में. And that's when I said कि बस अगर मैं पार्ट टाइम काम कर रहा होता ना तो सच बात है मेरी तो कैट की तैयारी भी चल रही साइड में. I can go back and start preparing. I'm wasting time here, right? नहीं. That was not the. अगर ऐसा करोगे काम वैसा जो coming back to your point, then don't do it. You focus on CAT, right? Let's be honest to ourselves first, right? But I was not there for just preparing for CAT. Like CAT, I used to enjoy preparing for CAT, so I was doing that, right? But what I was also trying to do is honestly become a good engineer if I'm not. So मैं 4 दिन वहीं पे रहा यार. So एक छोटा सा कमरा था, उसके अंदर AC रहता है, बहुत ठंडा रहता है, ज़्यादा दिन बंद नहीं कर सकते AC को क्योंकि इक्विपमेंट खराब हो जाएंगे. तो स्टूडियो के वहाँ कंपनी में पड़े हुए हैं, राइट, और फोन आ रहे हैं. एंड फिर वो क्या हुआ कि 4 दिन अगर आप नहीं आओ वापस, राइट, तो सैटरडे वीकेंड था बीच में, थर्सडे को गया था, मंडे तक नहीं आया था. वो बात काफी फैलने लगी. Right? So chairmen were calling me कि बॉस क्या चल रहा है, where have you reached? I want to solve it and come once and for all. Right? एक रात 2-3 बजे उस पे दरवाजे पे ठक हुआ. I was like अब कोई आके मेरा खून कर देगा यहाँ पे. अगले दिन पेपर में आएगा इंजीनियर फाउंड डेड इनसाइड द BTS साइट, राइट. तो ठीक नहीं है, तो डर के खोला. अब उसे लैंग्वेज नहीं आया, मुझे लैंग्वेज नहीं आया, राइट. वो एक अपने हाथ से उसने पैसे डाल दिए, मतलब लाइक कि डूड ये पैसे आ रहे हैं, क्या किया है. मुझे लगा चाकू को आना चाहिए था. पता चला कि वो भेजा गया है बंदा. मेरे एक फ्रेंड थे वहाँ पे, उनका कोई रिश्तेदार था वो. अब उनको बिल्कुल हिंदी नहीं आया, मुझे तेलुगु नहीं आती थी उस समय बिल्कुल, थोड़ी बहुत समझ में आती है. बट वो मुझे पैसे देने आए थे इस बात के लिए कि इतने तो कैश लेके चला नहीं होगा. ATM कार्ड तो उस समय नया आया था, मुझे बहुत शौक था, राइट. बट देयर वाज नो ATM मशीन देयर. सो दे केम टू गिव मी मनी कि मैं कर, और खाने का डिब्बा साथ में देखे. तो दैट वाज अ थिंग यार, ये तो पूरा दुनिया देख रही है कि इंजीनियर आके लॉन्च कर पाया कि नहीं कर पाया, सबको पता चल गया. It's better get resolved, right? And after 4 days it was. So we had first repeater launch, and that was the I think typical AIT and response to problem, right? I did the same thing, right? Like multiple times. The code is not working. Till the time it is not working, I'm not going home. You cannot do it always, right? but that is the limit. That's the, what do you say, thought, or that's the emotion which is required to, I think, sometimes solve the problem.
Now,
Yeah.
now that we know that you write lyrics, you touched upon few things that the senior told you, and
Yeah.
we want to know the whole story. How what made you start writing lyrics, and apart from that, at AIT, after AIT, how did you professionally get into this? I mean, you launched your own songs, your own videos. So tell us the full story, and also about the collaboration with the AIT, and that's
True, true. Yes,
Sazo
this
Alfaz.
is, no, this
Yeah.
is like a softer topic and very close to my heart. Thanks, guys. So, yeah, AIT में जब I was telling you about Bedi sir, right? जिनके साथ play की बात कर रहा था मैं वगैरह. तो उन लोगों का टीम था पहले से. They used to work, and what I had noticed in college, and something which everybody accepted, but for me it pained me a lot, right? कि हम किसी famous poet का या किसी और का लिखा हुआ जो है हम वो पढ़ते हैं as part of dramatic, right? Like क्यों? Right? This poverty should not be like, this should not be poverty of thought. Like if we want to say something, we can say original. तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि ओरिजिनल लिखते हैं. He didn't take me seriously. He said कि हाँ ठीक है, लिख के दिखाओ कुछ. ब्लड डोनेशन ड्राइव हो रही है, उसके लिए पोस्टर बना दो. तो आई सेड कि ठीक है. तो मैं लिख के भेजा उनको. मैंने कहा कि रक्त दो इतना क्षितिज लाल हो जाए ऐसा. तो उन्होंने कहा कि खून निकाल नहीं रहे लोगों का, ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप कर रहे हैं, राइट? खून नहीं देना है ऐसा कि क्षितिज लाल नहीं करना है, तो ढंग से लेके आओ, राइट? But he was sort of impressed, right? So he started giving me more problems by then. So then I wrote, I think, तो जीऊं मैं दो बार क्योंकि बहता है लहू मेरा, किसी और की रगों में उसका अपना बन गया, right? And he was like, dude, तुम इधर आओ, तुम ये क्या, तुम्हारा प्लान क्या था लाइफ में? ऐसे कि सर मेरा काम बीए हिंदी करना था, मैं गलती से फंस गया हूँ ना, प्लीज सेव मी. मुझे थोड़ा काम दिया करो इस टाइप का, ताकि मुझे अच्छा लगा करे. He said कि हाँ, you will start writing for our stuff, right? And he told me that you have to write for this play and about a character. And I struggled a lot with it because इससे पहले क्या था कि मैं, if you are a poet and not a lyricist, right? तो आप वो लिखते हो जो आप सोच रहे हो, जो आपके लिए important है, right? As a lyricist, right? It's not important what you think or what you feel, right? It's the character in the moment, right? वो उसके साथ जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है, उसके हिसाब पे क्या बात कही जाएगी, right? So there was this play which we were talking about, Death of Innocence. उसमें what I started doing is I wrote the lyrics for it in terms of एक music होता था, and then उस background में lyrics करते थे. तो वो कराने के लिए बेदी सर मेरे रूम में हर दूसरे दिन आते थे, और मुझे उन्होंने एक अपना 2-in-1 दे दिया था. उसमें मैं चोरी से, मुझे मना किया था रेडियो मत सुनना, बट मैं चोरी से रात को FM 90.3 वो जो भी होता था मैं सुनता था, right? And what it did is कि he used to play that initial portion of कर्ज, वो एक हसीना थी एक दीवाना था, right? जो उसका सिर्फ म्यूजिक पार्ट था. मैंने उससे पहले वो गाना नहीं सुना हुआ था, तो दैट इतना मेरा लिरिक्स में आया तंग था, क्योंकि इट्स वन ऑफ द वेरी गुड सॉन्ग्स, राइट? एंड उसको सुनता था मैं, एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू राइट, राइट? सीन ऐसा कुछ था कि द प्रोटैगनिस्ट डाइज इन द एंड, एंड वहां पे मैंने कुछ ऐसा लिखा था कि मैं उठूंगा, मैं गिरूंगा गिर संभल कर, मैं मिटा दूंगा अपनी हार को अपनी जीत से, फिर सिलसिला इस तरह चलता रहेगा. कल को सूरज अस्त हो तो डर नहीं, यही सूरज तेरे आंगन में फिर उगेगा, फिर उगेगा, right? And yeah, I said this like he just picked me up, right? Like obviously he's much taller and stronger than I am, so अभी मैं इतना मोटा हूँ, पहले नहीं था, so I was 55 kg or whatever. He picked me up and said, boss, ये बंदा हमारे सारे लिखेगा इसके बाद से, and we will start doing more of our own lyrics. And that was the biggest recognition, right? Like एक होता है आपके peers का recognition, right? एक होता है seniors का recognition, and then उसके उन सबसे बड़ा होता है आपके फेवरेट पर्सन का रिकॉग्निशन, कि आपको मतलब एक वेरी सारे सेइंग जो सच अ फैंटास्टिक डायरेक्टर, मतलब वो आते हैं जैसे सीन पे तो एक स्टाइल से घुसते थे, और तुम यहाँ से आओगे अटैक बीच में, ये इट्स लाइक दिस गाय नोज व्हाट इज डूइंग मैन, मतलब ये क्या फैंटास्टिक आदमी. और ये एक बंदा कह रहा है कि अब मैं हर लिखूंगा, मतलब राइट, अब मैं इसका हर, दिस इज ग्रेट, राइट? दिस इज ऑस्कर अवार्ड फॉर मी, राइट? तो that's where I started writing.
When was this, sir? When was this? Was it after
This
AIT
was
or?
this was in my first year.
Okay.
This was in my first year,
At
end of
AIT.
first year as per FE
At
के
AIT.
जमाने पर. I didn't have the guts to recite it myself. एक आध बोला. But then my batchmate Pratik Kar, right? He had a very strong voice and great guy. So he read this story, and I was sitting in the audience. I was like, hey, boss, एंड देन उसमें उस पे ताली बज गई, राइट? तो मेरे आंसू निकल गए। लोग पूछे क्या हो गया भैया, इतना भी ऐसा नहीं था कि रोने लगो। उस लाइन किया बॉस, ये मेरा था, ये मेरा लाइन था, सुनो सुनो, राइट? सो एंड पीपल डोंट केयर, राइट? कितना भी अच्छा हो, राइट? बट हाँ, जिसने नहीं सुना मैं जाके सुना था। तुमने वो सुना लास्ट वाला? मैंने लिखा था, मैं दोबारा सुनाता हूँ, ऐसा लिखा था, right? So that's how I was trying to do. It started that way. I got into dramatics, but writing lyrics, right? From that point, I could not function as a poet. I was not able to write anything for the cause of it. Like वो situation क्या है? Like the questions he was asking me, those are the things I was looking for, right? Situation क्या है? And then एकदम block आ गया. I could not write. So to write, I started directing plays and musical dramas in IIT. Just so that I get the opportunity to write, because एक situation हो जाएगी, right? उसमें कुछ आ जाए। तो उसमें एक ऐसा था कि आई थिंक लोकेश भगत मेरे फ्रेंड हैं, कॉलेज से ही हैं, तो उनके साथ, और अमित अग्रवाल, आई थिंक वो तो तुम जानते हो कि शायद एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन में है।
Yes.
तो हम सब मिलके साथ प्ले बना रहे थे। उसमें एक सीन था कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि द पर्सन इज यूज्ड बाय सोसाइटी, राइट? तो आई रिटन एक सिगरेट की तरह फूक चुके होगे जब तुम, तो वो जिसने चूमा कईयों बार तुम्हें होठों से अपने, तुम्हें अपने ही पैरों तले रौंद के चला जाएगा, और उसका क्या, वो कोई और सिगरेट जला लेगा। सो दिस वाज स्पॉन्टेनियस, राइट? लाइक वो वहां पे सीन चल रहा था एंड वो था, एंड आई दैट्स व्हेन आई थॉट कि यार ये तो जो है ना, अभी इसमें लिखने में बहुत मजा आने वाला है। आई थिंक वी शुड डू इट। बट व्हेन आई ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम कॉलेज, मोस्ट ऑफ माय वर्क आई डिड इन कॉलेज ओनली। उसके बाद व्हेन आई ग्रेजुएटेड, ये सब जगह चीजें होते रही एंड यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग अ करियर, दिस टुक अ बैक सीट, राइट? देन I think 2008-9 में I started writing some songs. वो people started approaching के बस ये ट्यून है, लिख दोगे? And then many of them were like either a song recorded in other language that they tell you the meaning of it and then you translate it, right? तो उस टाइप का करना चालू किया है। I should get decent pay for it, right? हाँ ठीक है, चलो ऐसा तो पैसे मिल रहा है, अच्छा है, पॉकेट मनी हो गया, है ना, I'll party with this. So but more importantly, if you don't write, तुम्हें जंग लग जाता है, so you have to keep doing it, right? So then after like 2-3 साल वैसा लिखा रहेगा, उसके बाद decided I will not do a project I'm not convinced with, right? Because finally if I'm not doing it for money, then I shouldn't compromise as much, right? Like while there are writers who are doing it for money, so they should be the ones who actually take it up and do it, right? ये जो AITN collaboration की बात करते हैं, तो साजो अल्फाज करके एक बैंड चालू किया है। वरुण हरनाल, my batchmate from mechanical, also 2001 pass out. He's a singer and music director for these things. And we were just talking once, right? And I said के boss, हम जो हैं अच्छा गाना बनाना चाहते हैं, right? Like no matter what genre we choose, lyrics should be very very, you know, heartfelt. So if you're not genuine or like honest in writing the thing, then it doesn't work. And he agreed, right? He said music should be soulful, right? So that's our punchline: soulful music and heartfelt lyrics, right? So I said कि हाँ ठीक है, let's start doing it. So एक किया, and then people liked it, करना चालू किया। तो कुछ 5 गाने भी किए हैं, छठा भी हमारा चल रही है बात। बट हाँ, उसमें जो हमारा फर्स्ट सॉन्ग था, that was खुद रंग, वो that still remains very very favorite to both of us.
Can we request you to sing for us, for our audience?
नहीं बॉस, सिंगिंग तो वरुण से कराना, when you talk to him, right? Like so बस उससे कराना। But I'll tell you the story behind खुद रंग actually. Let me do
Yeah,
that.
you can.
So
Please.
एक शायर हैं, जॉन एलिया, नाम सुना है? He is one of the people whose work I have been following, right? So उनके बारे में कहा जाता है कि जॉन एलिया जो हैं वो मतलब एक खुदरंग शायर है। तो खुदरंग शायर मतलब, तो खुदरंग का क्या, जिसके जैसा कुछ नहीं हो। जैसे तो अगर मैं आप लोग कभी बाजार जाएं और चांदी खरीद रहे हैं, राइट? तो बोला कि यार ये चांदी जो है ये इतनी महंगी है, वो थोड़ी, ये इसमें कैसा क्या खास है? दुकानदार बोलेगा कि सर ये इतनी खुदरंग चांदी देखिए, मतलब उसका रंग जो है अपने जैसा है, उसके जैसा कुछ और नहीं है। तो ये इतनी खुदरंग चांदी तो मैं आपको कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं दे सकता। सो खुदरंग, यार ये वर्ड जो है ना, ये अच्छा है। तो देन आई thought about it कि somewhere, right, all of us are told from the beginning that we are unique, right? हम सब खुद रंग होते हैं, right? Maybe we are not able to portray our uniqueness in some ways, right? But still all of us are very very unique in our own way. तो वहाँ से thought चालू हुआ, and then what I wrote for that is that यूं तो खुद रंग हुआ करता था मैं पहले, अब तेरा रंग चढ़ा है कि उतरता ही नहीं। That's like so, and then I think it's true for AIT as well, right? Like before coming to AIT, I was slightly different, and that's how Varun put it in one of our alumni meets, and I think it has come up.
So like other professional things, do you think consistency is important, creativity as well? I mean, in writing lyrics as well.
Yeah, so yeah, consistency is important. Right? If you don't write enough, right, you get rusty, right? And the other thing is, कोई नई बात होती नहीं है कि कुछ भी कहने के लिए, right? If कोई भी creative profession में, right, picture बना लो, गाना लिख लो, सब कुछ कहा जा चुका है. There's nothing new you can fundamentally say, and that sometimes एक बार मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे depression हो गया कि यार ये depression मतलब not depression मतलब दुख हो गया कि यार ये कुछ तो है नहीं नया लिखने को. हीरो हीरोइन का प्यार है, वो सब लोग देख रहे हैं, मैं क्या क्या है, this is not good. तुकबंदी चल रही है, राइट, है ना, तो दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू लास्ट, बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू, राइट. आई थॉट हार्ड अबाउट इट, एंड तुम्हें एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ मैं. एक पुरानी पिक्चर थी हीरो, नाम सुना उसका? जैकी श्रॉफ. उसमें आनंद बख्शी का गाना है कि प्यार वो करते हैं जिनकी तकदीर होती है ना, प्रेमी के हाथ में प्रेम लकीर होती है. जो उसकी रिस्पॉन्स आता है वो होता है कि ऐसी बातें मैं ना जानूं, मैं तो बस इतना जानूं, राइट, कि तू मेरा हीरो है, तू मेरा दिलबर है. उसमें एक चीज है कि जो भी कुछ हो, लकीर होती है, तकदीर होती है, बट रांझा की हीर होती है. दिस इज अ थॉट, राइट, वेरी कमर्शियल थॉट इज रांझा हीर. आज की तारीख में पिक्चर है कलंक, राइट, सेम है बिल्कुल, वर्ड टू वर्ड, राइट, इमोशन इज एग्जैक्ट सेम, रांझा हीर तकदीर, राइट. हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है एक रांझा और हीर जैसी, न जाने ये जमाना क्यों चाहे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया. दिस इज वेयर तकदीर भी है, रांझा भी है, हीर भी है, पब्लिक अपोज कर रही है. दिस इज क्लासिक सेम सिचुएशन, बट यू कैन, इफ यू हैव द लिरिकल एबिलिटी, you can say it in such a new way, right? And that's where the fun lies. That's where the fun, both English and Hindi, right? वो this is का fun भी होता है और इसको करने में fun भी होता है.
So what do you suggest nowadays? Like as you said, गेहूं और गुलाब की बात करी आपने. So लोगों के जीवन में अब गेहूं रह गए, गुलाब अब बच्चे follow, मतलब उनके जीवन में गुलाब नहीं रहता, passion they don't follow it. Nowadays they just, when they just get into they get a job and then they grind themselves into it, but they just leave their passion behind. So like what is your suggestion, like what do you what is the message you want to give them ki jisse they feel to get this
नमन की जिंदगी में खूब गुलाब है. नहीं, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ऐसे ऋषु से ये सवाल है.
सर ऋषु खुद सर शायरी वगैरह काफी करता है, पोएट्री काफी करता है.
वेरी नाइस, गुड. तो दोनों की मैं नहीं यार. सो आई थिंक प्रायोरिटाइजेशन इज वन थिंग. आजकल तो काफी लाइक यू कैन, like I was saying, right, like whatever you want to follow, there is an online way of doing it. There are a lot of people who are interested in it. There's something called affinity group, right? You can actually know who's interested in what and then be able to talk to those people to further it, right? कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि यूएस में होने की वजह से मैं पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. कभी कभी होता है, राइट, यू कांट गो टू प्लेस, यू कांट गो टू सम ऑफ दीज इवेंट्स, बट मेनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. प्रॉब्लम कम्स के what will you sacrifice and what will you not sacrifice, right? So आज की तारीख में जो younger crowd है, उनके पास उतना ज़्यादा like clean sacrifice है, because they are sacrificing something which is for them, right? When you grow older, you're basically sacrificing something like times with your kid, right? Taking them out to a park, right? So which you don't want to really sacrifice on, right? So कितना कैसा करोगे देख लो, right? That's the balancing out, right? And that's not a right or wrong answer कि 3 घंटे ये करो, 4 घंटे वो करना. That's not. I mean, this what you want to have important in your life, you end up spending more time towards it, right? So and then मेरे केस में ऐसा होता है कि बहुत चीजें छूट जाती हैं, जैसे कि I was writing a novel, आधा लिख के छोड़ दिया. This is what I like. So this was my, I think 2017-18 का I think resolution था कि ज्यादा projects ना, ऐसे बहुत ज्यादा projects incomplete नहीं छोड़ूंगा, राइट. एंड दिस इज अ पनिशमेंट फॉर मी कि बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट भी आएगा ना तो मैं उसको स्टार्ट नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि बस तुमने वो खत्म नहीं किया पुराना, राइट. तो पहले वो गाना खत्म करो, फिर ये लिखना है, ऐसा मैं 2 नहीं लिखने दूंगा साथ में. यू फिनिश इट टुनाइट इटसेल्फ. तो चाहे उसके लिए फिर अपना एआईटी रिस्पॉन्स में आज नाइट मार के इस गाने को खत्म करेंगे ताकि अपन अच्छा लिख सकें, राइट. दैट्स बेटर, राइट, देन than being able to not follow something.
Okay, sir. One question which I want to ask is very important for me to ask as well is being in the management and technology space for so many years, and now that you have also done your MBA, what few things you think drives people to work and in teams? And you talked a lot about relationships you maintain with people. So just throw some light about what is your management style and what makes people do their best in given situations, or what makes people do any task or anything in a better way.
Yeah, so this is like a loaded question, right? And I don't know if I'm totally qualified to answer this, but I'll give you my 2 cents on this, right? I think relationships are very important. At least in my early years, I was like totally this project mindset, right? Like ये इस डेट तक खत्म करना है, और उसको खत्म नहीं करने में जो भी बीच में अड़चन कर रहा है, right? वो मेरा दुश्मन, दुश्मन में तेरा, तू मेरा दुश्मन, दुश्मन में तेरा, right? And I start getting into these type of things. This is very early, right? Like because I really wanted to finish that project. इसको इस डेट तक करना है, ये करना है, क्लाइंट ने मांगा है, होना ही पड़ेगा. यदि क्या जबरदस्ती का उल्टा पुल्टा पूछ रहा है, खत्म करो उसको. And that's the execution focus, right? It is very important. It is not everything, right? वो चीज जो realization होती है वो थोड़े बाद में भी मुझे कि यार to do a good thing, right? I'm able to I'm sacrificing a lot, right? Next time I'm not getting support for the next project, and I'm not getting the thing कि यार ये you have to share credit where there is due, right? You have to make sure that people want to work with you. So first thing is working on the right things, right? If you're working on the right things with conviction, there will definitely be people who want to work in your team, right? And then how you treat them on a day-to-day basis, right? एक thought process alignment की बात होती है. जब आप team lead करना चालू करोगे, right? Bring your personality to work. Don't be scared के at times I've been scared, right? I go to a new country. यार यहाँ पे तो ना सिंगापुर में ऐसा तो नहीं होता, यहाँ पे तो ऐसा काम होता है, मुझे ऐसा. This is context. You should know what the context is, right? But you will bring yourself to work with your full personality. That's what you are paid for, right? So I change industry, right? Today I'm in real estate technology, right? This definitely things are different from what used to happen in a financial institution, right? But then still I come as genuinely as I used to come. I still have a team which I manage. I still have those people. There's certain things which you would definitely want to deliver on them to them on every interaction ever, right?
What we are trying to do is like connect all the alumni. So what are your suggestions from the what sort of help we can get from the alumni, and what students can do from their side so that we can build a strong community out of this?
So this is ये तो students से question पूछना चाहिए, right? But my take on this is this, right? Like you guys have an alumni which is spread across the globe, right? You have anybody from our like college, right? For that example, most of the alumni, look, they are doing relatively well, right? जितने भी लोग हैं सब बहुत पैशनेट हैं, बहुत से लोग बहुत पैशनेट हैं कॉलेज के बारे में, right? बिजी होते हैं, कभी कभी रिस्पॉन्स उतना कुछ ही नहीं कर सकते, बट ऐसे बहुत ही कम लोग होंगे जो मदद नहीं करना चाहते, right? That is one thing, right? मदद अगर हेल्प भी लेना चाहते हो, right? तो उसके दो चीज होते हैं कि you have to do your homework first thing, right? Like your alumni are not going to do your homework, right? You do your homework first, and then once you have done your homework, right? This is what I'm looking for. Then being able to ask the right type of things to get help, right? At times when recession वगैरह है तो you call के कहना कि I need your help. What exactly do you need help, right? वो चीज मेरे लिए बहुत help किया है मेरे seniors का. I would ping my seniors and tell them कि सर मैं ऐसा करा था, मेरा first हुआ है, अच्छा नहीं हुआ, मुझे लग रहा है यार सही नहीं है, I'm just feeling very bad about it, right? ये मुझे वीजा इश्यूज कर रहे हैं ये लोग, ऐसा कर रहे हैं फलाना कंट्री, यार मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा, right? Even if they don't help you out, like obviously मेरे सीनियर ने मेरा वीजा नहीं करवा दिया, right? Obviously मेरे सीनियर ने मुझे कहा नहीं कि तू ऐसे सेल्फ प्रेजेंटेशन हो रहा, अब मुझे भेज, मैं जाके करता हूँ. He could not do it, right? But what he could do me is, right, look me in the eyes and tell, okay, boss, this is how you have to do. Have you done these 5 things, right? If you've done, then you are good. And कभी-कभी मेरे सीनियर झूठ भी बोलते हैं, अरे तू क्या बंदा है, तू चिंता मत कर, तू घुसे कमरे में सब एकदम साइड यहाँ वहाँ, तू घुसना और सीधे घुसना, और जो भी क्लाइंट है उसकी आंख में डाल के कह देना, ठीक है? And it helps, actually it helps a lot, right? So depends, like when you say help, right, what are you looking from the community? you should be very, very clear on. And then who are those people in that whole alumni setup who can help you out, right? If you do not know how to ask for that help, then take that help first. So somewhere there's a lot of service which the content you guys have created, right? It is beyond only AITians and AIT alumni. This has got the potential and power to influence very, very young minds, right, around making very, very well-informed decisions. तो ये बहुत अच्छी चीज आप लोग कर रहे हैं और ये
So do you think that we should be promoting this at APSS as well?
Army school, definitely. Kendriya Vidyalayas, definitely, right? There are alumni who are in the army. So they are, and especially first and second batch होकर के जो हमारे seniors हैं, amazing, क्या लोग हैं वो, अभी उनको बुलाओ, है ना, इस channel पे. So they are like so awesome. They are also in that age group, right, where they know a lot of people in their units and such. जिनके kids are preparing for this, right?
Yeah.
So, and not all of them have, like, all of those kids have that information, right? They know that there's a college called AIT, and if I will find out in 12th which I am, what options I have, then maybe this is when I will choose it. That shouldn't be the case, right? Like, you're giving the best 4 years of your life to, right? And money, right? And especially that money, not your money, your parents' money. You better be very serious about and intentional about it, right? And if you don't like it, then today decide in your early stages that I am not going to become like these people. And if you like it, then put your heart and soul, and this is what I want to be, right? And for anyone, like, if anybody is interested in talking more about anything which you hear, at least, and I cannot say about all other episodes which have happened, right? But 80%, my estimate, 80-90%, there'll be nobody who says that, hey, I don't want to talk to you. You guys have made me feel like as if I was in here yesterday. So उस feeling पे है ये. This is साल हा साल और वो एक लम्हा. Have you heard this before?
Yeah.
Yes.
मैंने सुना हुआ है. Okay, perfect. साल हा साल और वो एक लम्हा, उसमें साल हा साल और वो एक लम्हा, उसमें कोई नहीं पड़ा है बल अब तक. खुद ही मैंने एक दर पे दस्तक दी और खुद ही लड़का सा मैं निकल आया. Right? So this is when John Elias says that there's been a lot of time, but feels like yesterday that he was a young guy. Right? I'm still young, but you guys have made me feel much younger, and thank you very much for doing this. And let me know if I can be of any help to you guys.
It was very much exciting to hear you, sir. It was our pleasure.